how to avoid tolls on your Waze app. So it's very simple to do. Don't overthink it. So what you want to do is go to your Waze app, and I'm just going to type in an address here. I'm just going to go through these notifications here. I'm just going to X out of this. So let's go ahead and pick a location. I already have one here in my recents. So I'm just going to click that, and it's going to calculate a route, and it's going to give you a couple of routes here, but we want to avoid tolls. So at the top left-hand corner, you see the word avoid. So go ahead and hit that drop-down menu, and I'm going to choose avoid toll roads. So what this is going to do is it's going to calculate a route so that I do not have to pay any kind of tolls. And from that point forward, you can go ahead and hit go now, because now you don't have any tolls and you are set to go from this point. So it's very easy to do. I'm just going to X out of here. It's very easy to set these parameters and settings so that you can avoid tolls on your Waze app. And that's it.